Hey guys, Spiral Dimension. Sorry, not Spiral Dimension Master. Dread Cannon Crusher, and today I'm coming to you with a Turbo unboxing, Beyblade vs Turbo, and today is Archer Hercules. Yeah, my mom gladly bought this for me, so yeah, let's get right into it. The parts for this are Archer Hercules 13 and Eternal. Eternal, I think, is just a worse version of Bearing. I've never gotten to test Eternal. Eternal has palm plastic. So I've got to learn how to turn it into slingshot mode. I don't know how to turn it into slingshot mode. It's 13, and then this new launcher is going to be my new launcher. Slopes. They're really tight, so I'm gonna give them like a 7.5. So I'm gonna do like one battle, one or two battles. And I was playing Red Dead Redemption 2, not sponsored by the way. I was playing Red Dead Redemption 2 before I was doing this. If I'm not playing Red Dead Redemption, I'm either playing Forza Horizon 4, Burnout Paradise City, or Fortnite. So I'll be back with in like a minute or so. Okay guys, I am back. I'm choosing, I want to try and battle it against a Turbo Bay. So I am, hold on, first I have to find the right combo. Okay guys, sorry if that took like forever. It may not have been forever for you guys, but it definitely was for me. I was trying to find correct combos for my Hyzard Kerbeus and my Emperor Fornius. I couldn't find the Atomic S, but I found it. And then I couldn't find my 0 disc, so I just put on a 7. So here's Archer Hercules. If you don't know what Archer Hercules does, when you launch it, these things should pop out to give it more stamina, and then when it loses stamina, they should push back in to give it more stamina. 3, 2, 1, Rip. I'm going to be battling Emperor Fornius first. And that's 2 points to Archer Hercules for burst finish. I'm going to give it one more battle. Let it rip. Rip. And that's another burst finish for Archer Hercules. Next battle is going to be Archer Hercules versus Hyzard Kerbeus. 3, 2, 1, rip. in this video, I might even try launching a Beyblade with my absorb on it to see if it can perform the absorb break. Is Archer Hercules gonna lose? And that is 1 point to Hazard Kerbeus. Rip. 1 point goes to Archer Hercules, 1-1. Next battle. Rip. 3-2-1 rip. And it's Hazard Kerbeus with a survivor finish. Hazard Kerbeus is the winner. So overall, I think the combo is really nice for Archer Hercules. Yeah, it's really good. So now I'm gonna try. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna give Absorb to Archer Hercules to see if it can perform Absorb Break with my new launcher. Probably won't, but I guess I'll give it a try. I guess not enough force. I'm gonna battle it against my fake Geist Fafnir. I'm gonna hand spin my Geist Fafnir because those of you who know, ever since I've gotten my Geist Fafnir, it will not launch. We'll see if Geist Fafnir can beat Archer Hercules. Yeah, I was just gonna say, Fafnir normally loses the first battle, and then it'll probably come back. But in this battle, I don't think so. With Archer Hercules' slopes, I doubt that anything with rubber is gonna burst this. Maybe Wizard Fafnir will be able to do it. Or if you get really hard hits like Fafnir did in the beginning. Now, since I have to make this video 10 minutes, I've got to do at least like one more battle. I'm going to call this a fans round. point goes to Archer Hercules. And I know in any of my videos I've almost never asked for you guys to like. Almost never like. And that's because I really don't care about the likes you guys give me. I mean, I would appreciate it if you guys do give me a few likes. But I care more about subscribers than view. Well, I mean, views are what helps me spread the word around. So thanks to you guys for spreading the word. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.